now, we will have a Q&A portion that mag-ask mig mga questions to know ourselves.
Yes.
Yes, okay.
Okay.
So, we will introduce ourselves first. I am Mishka Namok.
And I am Erica Rose Ibanez.
And I am Mickey Ligaspi.
And I am 16 years old.
And I am 17 years old.
I am 17 years old.
So now, getting to know each other.
So now, we are getting to know each other.
So, my birthday is May 26, 2008.
And me naman is January 19, 2008.
And my birthday is November 10, 2007.
So, where do you live?
Sige,
Wala
you
na.
first.
I live in Purok Noybi, Pag-asad, Kapalong, Davao del Norte.
And me is Magatas Asuncion, Davao del Norte.
Me is Naragabuyan, Kapalong, Davao del Norte.
So, what is your favorite hobby?
My favorite hobby is Habibi shut up. Koan, my favorite hobby is magkoan, no. Mag-cook.
My hobbies are dancing, singing, and drawing. You.
Di daw. So, my hobby is dancing and also playing badminton. So, next is, what is your favorite movie? So, my favorite movie is Home Alone because it is funny and it is usually played on Christmas season.
And me naman is ito. Ano?
Wrong turn.
No. Ano ba yung mga ito?
Ay, sumala.
Hindi yung, Last Night by Piolo Pascual and Tony Gonzaga because, no, hindi kayo na. Talawan nyo na. Nanara sa YouTube.
How about you?
Me, my favorite movie is Hidden Love
Ano naman?
because it can give us makakatulong ito sa atin. Kasi sa movie na yon, guys, is may itong lalaki siya tapos siya 28 man nata siya, tapos yung girl na ka-love team niya is 17, tapos sila nasa secret nga murag nasa secret nga dili nasa secret nga nasa gusto sa isa't isa, pero ang nakakuha nato is bata pa ditang babae. Hangtod pagdako murag nagdayon jud sila.
Okay. Okay, let's proceed to the how many siblings do you have? You first.
I have 4 siblings.
You?
And me is 1 siblings. And bali, 2 kami. I have 1 brother. Cute brother. A very handsome brother.
Me is only child. So, the next question is, what is your favorite color?
my favorite color is purple.
Mine is ocean blue.
Mine is red.
So, this is the exciting part.
Kukurog.
Who is your crush? You first.
You first, Mickey.
So my crush, guys, is si Roble, guys. Sino po ni Roble?
Ivan.
Dili si Ivan nga Roble, basta Roble siya, guys. Tapos
Na.
Na-crush ko siya first day of school lang. Maulang to siya. No explanation.
Your crush.
Kaya need na. Kailangan sa room? Need na
Dili,
sa room.
dili.
Sige, may crush! Charot. Sige. Ang crush guys, kay si Koan. Si Cyrene. Kaya nga no guys, dili naman dapat na kailangan pangutanon
Okay.
pa. Kasi, talented siya. Wala ko siya tanan, pero para sa akin, kay meron na siya sa kanya. Nana siya tanan. Love na ko siya.
Ako, pizza man.
Pero friend, rami.
Ginagawish ka.
Tagot na na, oy, go na.
Gago, dili man ako sa crush. Si Badayag na lang. So guys, ang akong crush kay si Madayag.
Gago. Kasi hindi siya madayag.
Uy, dili ka sir.
Hindi mo lang alam.
Okay na. So, ano.
Bye-bye guys.
That's it guys
So,
for
minutes
today's
na.
video.
Mag-
Thank you.
Mabuto na yung minutes ba?
Ay, samahan nyo kami mamaya kasi papakita namin gagala kami.
At pupunta kami kung saan madaming pogi!
Monkey.
Pupunta kami sa Talaingan!
Pakipakita namin yan mamaya. Bye! First question is, what is your birthday?
Okay, me first.
What is your name?
Okay, me first. My name is Erica
So,
Rose.
when is your birthday, man? Anong na kanya makagwan?
Mali ganino.
Awa!
Be.
Pangit na no.
Hi guys, ako ngayon. So, dili talaingod among nagawan. Kundi. Ako to.
Pupunta kami sa
Totomas.
Siya.
Hi guys! Karon guys, nanami karon sa Jollibee. Awa guys, lami kinamgi kaon dra guys. Lami jud kay guys, tanawa guys. Lami kinadra guys, tas awa guys, gwapa kay Mino. Ana jud na jud, syempre dapat mo laga. Gwapa jud ka. Ug unsa kalami ang spicy na fried chicken sa Jollibee. Ana pud na kag ay, very sarap talaga guys. Oh my gosh. Sarap. Tapos kaning picture guys, kana guys. Ay napila ng boy dra kay kuya man ng Mickey. Kuya. Tapos ano guys, tanawa na si Mickey guys. Gwapa kay si Mickey guys no. Pero wala mong kabalo ni hilak na siya dapita guys. Si Mishka guys. Gwapa kay siya no. Pero gwapa jud ko silang duha guys. Ay, kalami maglaag. Lami kayo. Sir, shoutout sa'yo. No lam.